Did you call the tempo guide? Have you seen where he is? Is he?
You called the tempo guy, na?
I called him and booked him, but can you call and check if he's on his
How
way?
will I have his
Why do
number?
I have to do everything?
You don't have to scream at me. It's okay. Fine. What are you doing?
What do you mean?
You do whatever you want to do. Go wherever you want to go. Coco is mine. She's gonna live with me. I've already spoken to the society I'm shifting to.
What do you mean she's yours? I found her, remember? Outside my office. So she stays with me.
So
my
who cares? Who found her? I took care of her.
And I didn't?
Obviously you didn't. तुम घर रहती तब ना यार.
Oh, please forgive me for having a job and being employed.
That's really classy, okay?
है ना?
It shows how much you care about my writing.
Yeah? How do I care about your writing if your writing doesn't pay any of the rent?
Well, luckily for you, you don't have to care about that anymore.
Yeah, and unluckily for you, that's the only thing that you have to worry about from now on. The cat stays with me.
It will stay with me. You know it.
We'll see about that.
You don't even live here. You come here for 2 hours, then you sleep, and then you go back to your work.
Okay, how are you going to take care of the cat? Wait, don't tell me. Let me guess. With love and affection.
At least I can give her that.
You know what your problem is? She's just jealous.
And tum, petty. It's okay, cook. It's just the kettle.
You didn't even want to get her spayed.
So, that's against nature. It should be her choice, na?
अरे यार, she's a house cat. उनका immune system weak हो जाता है.
Immune system, oh my god, so much for your pro-choice feminism.
Yeah, like you know a lot about the female body.
Okay, what's that supposed to mean now?
Nothing. You just pack that coffee maker.
I don't want it. Just take it. I'll put it in your bag.
Well, I don't want it.
Arey, I got it for you, na? It's a gift.
So you can keep it now.
यार मैं इतनी कॉफी नहीं पीता हूँ.
तो
ले
आदत
जाओ ना.
लगा लो या फेंक दो. How the does it even matter?
यार what's wrong with you, man? We broke up act again. We decided ना कि नहीं लड़ेंगे. Last day है यार. बोल दिया जो बोलना था यार. सुन लिया जो सुनना था.
तुमने बोला होगा शायद, लेकिन
तो तुम भी बोल दो भाई. I mean, just say it. I'm here. I'm listening to you. Just say whatever you want to say. Just say it.
forget it.
Just say it, please.
I want the cat.
Rick, you don't want the cat. You just want to hurt me. That's what you want.
Never really had a proper chat, did we?
Nope. हम बस लड़ सकते हैं यार. That's all we know.
Okay, so we're doing this.
I guess we are.
Fine. That producer chick.
Again?
Again. Because we very conveniently glossed over it and you owe me an
Hey,
explanation.
yaar, nothing happened. I've told you this million
You
times.
should have just been honest with me and I would have gotten out of your way.
What do I tell you? That I met a producer who was interested in my script and she just happened to be a woman. Huh? That someone was actually ready to read my script for a change, yaar.
What is that supposed to mean?
Listen, you never had time, okay? Every time I asked you, listen, I've written something. Can you please read it? Huh? Just tell me how do you like it? Yeah, the thing is, I had such a long
so
day.
you
yaar, I'll
basically
read
went
it
with the
tomorrow.
first woman who gave you the tiniest bit
अरे
of
यार
attention.
तुम बात क्यों घुमा रही हो यार? Yes, I was dying for validation, all right? I wanted someone to tell me that, my piece of work is just not waste of time, all right? That I was relevant.
Okay, so tell me this. Your female fans sending you kissing emojis and these late night text messages, that makes you feel validated? Does that, I don't know, make you feel relevant?
Did you read my text? Are you serious?
We share a fucking toothbrush. How does it matter if I read your silly text messages? And anyways, now at least I know I wasn't insecure without good
And
reason.
what do you mean that we share a toothbrush, man?
You didn't know?
No. Like, I didn't know that you read my text.
Okay, sue me.
और अगर पढ़ ही रही थी तो पूरी कॉन्वर्सेशन पढ़ लेती ना यार, मेरे रिप्लाई भी पढ़ लेती. ओके, हाँ, श्योर, व्हाई नॉट, हाँ जी, ये सब लिख रहा था यार, मैं काम की बातें कर रहा था.
So she was flirting with you.
हाँ, मैं इतना चार्मिंग हूँ ना, मैं इतना हैंडसम हूँ, क्या करूँ मैं?
Yeah, very handsome and very charming.
Okay, my turn.
I thought we were done.
No, we're not. Let's talk about your family, no?
What about my family?
Don't get all touchy, okay? This is all in the spirit of honesty. You know it, I know it, that your family has some serious space issues.
Okay, big deal, yeah. If my father asked you how much you earn. And please, he thought we were going to get married or something. He just wanted to know if you can, like, provide for me or something.
But you can provide for both of us, right? मैं तो ऐसे मतलब कोई struggling writer हूँ जिसके पास कोई काम नहीं है, right?
It always bothered you, know, that I earned more than you.
No. Your lack of faith in me, that's what bothered me the most, Khungu, yaar. I have always been proud of you. I am proud of you, yaar. But I don't think I can say the same for you.
I'm really sorry you feel that way. But have you ever wondered why we even got together? You were so different from those silly corporate guys I used to keep meeting. You were refreshing and fascinating, and I believed in you. फिर reality check हो गया ना यार. I used to come home from work and you'd be stoned watching TV with Rahul. There used to be a pile of dirty dishes in the kitchen. There was so much resentment every time I'd tell you to clean up, and slowly I became like this uncool, nagging little bitch.
Why didn't you tell me that?
I did. You used to be like, yeah, कर दूंगा next time. कुछ ज़्यादा बोलती थी, then you would be like, तुम्हारी wife हूँ क्या? It's okay. हो गया. It's fine.
There's always something missing, right?
Yeah.
But I guess we got too used to each other.
Till we didn't.
Till we didn't. I never thought we'll reach to this point. I thought this is it.
We had some fun times though.
Yeah, sharing a toothbrush is fun. Too soon.
Yeah, too soon.
Listen. Hey, bubble wrap, do you want?
No, I'm good.
So, सब हो गया?
Yeah. Guess we're done. So,
वो दरवाजा खुला था इसलिए।
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, अब एक जुहू जाएगा, एक यारी रोड।
अरे वो गार्ड तो कह रहा था कि आप एक साथ ही।
अरे जुहू यारी रोड, आप चलिए। मैं
हाँ, ठीक है।
so. Decision time.
It's okay. You take her with you. You are anyway good at multitasking, so.
I think you should keep it because after I'm gone, you're gonna need a female presence. She loves you.
She loves you too.
Should we let her decide?
Oh,
Coco.
she must be in your room.
Okay. Look here. Coco.
Coco? Coco?
Coco.
Coco?
Sometimes it's best to choose your own fate when relationships around you become toxic. That's what Coco did.
Don't forget to watch 7 other episodes of Love on the Rocks. Like, share, comment, subscribe.
And keep spreading the love.